have. I'm driving in the general direction of Las Vegas.
You don't have to look at the camera.
Good, because I can't. I'm looking at the mirror. Now I'm looking at the camera. We are trying to drive as far as, well, if possible, we're trying to get as far as the Hoover Dam. See the Hoover Dam, and then beyond the Hoover Dam, maybe to Mesquite, which is at the very edge of Nevada, where it borders on Utah. We'll try and find a hotel for the night. Driving's good. So far, the bucket of bolt seems to be holding up. The car's handling fine, which is nice. It's very easy to drive.
How's the co-pilot?
Co-pilot's pretty good. A little bit nosy, asking lots of questions. The idea is pretty simple. They generate more power, because everybody talks about just covering the whole place in solar cells. Solar cells aren't that efficient. This is massively more efficient in generating the same amount of power than you'd require in solar cells. That didn't work.